What up? This is Brandon Pilas, also known as Basis.
Yes, sir.
It's cool and it's chilling, you know.
Alright. We're gonna eat Vietnamese cuisine. You know what I'm saying? Ano bang sasabihin ko dito? Yung house special na noodle soup. Number yun, nakalimutan ko na eh. So, I'm just gonna get the house special soup.
11? When you usually get?
Thank you. Yun lang yun. Pero malulubat na yung phone ko, so dish. What's it? Lagyan mo talaga nitong camera, oh. Okay ko pa. What are you gonna order? Get the house special.
We do want to treat you.
Sure. Alright. Oh yeah, it's your paycheck today, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna get a free food today. Boss Brandy. I'm just gonna smoke outside for a bit. Mag-aan ako ngayon. Feed check. Oh, I left my phone. But yeah. So, dito kami sa, di ko alam. Tapat na ang McDo. Tapos kasama ko si Shanks. Utot ako talaga eh. Wait lang, may dadaan. Tagal nung utot ko na yun ah. Gago, mahaba nun ah. Magja-jam naman kami bukas, so okay lang. Pasok na ako ulit kasi may nakatingin na sa akin. Basta, di ko alam sinasabi ko dito sa vlog. Nauutot na naman ako. Finally. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No lie, I don't really remember. I know it's like a while back. Wait, what made you, so you got into guitar because of Ed Sheeran, right? I actually got into guitar because of a video game. You should try. You should like slap or something.
And then that's where
He's not into bass, so I watched this channel. I don't know if you heard this YouTube channel, Baby504.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
That's the baselines.
Yeah. And he's always this like slap like now.
Yeah, I'm too full.